Don't buy me kind no dollar po.
The internet ya give login.
Keep sound. Josh, make that head sound big.
Big. And now one question, just one question I want to ask. Just one question. What will be the difference between romance and sex?
Romance and sex. Okay. Romance and this question hard. Romance, okay. Romance na when they torture your body, you know, they torture you, they kiss you, they touch your body. The kind of time we go they call that time now. Oh, baby, suck the nipple, baby, suck the nipple, baby, suck the nipple. That's the sound that will be coming out. But you see, sex. Sex is the main action. Sex is the gang. It's the time the man will swim inside your swimming pool. You swim the west coast, the north coast, the east coast, the super coast. The kind of sound that will be coming out is, baby, faster, baby, faster, baby, stop, don't stop, baby, stop, don't stop, baby, it's going too high.
Over.